Are you constantly worried about acne, suntan, or dull skin? Well, this DIY mask is perfect for you because it will give you a glowing skin, spotless skin, and it is so natural. It will reduce suntan, clears your acne from the roots, and works for all skin type. Gentle enough for daily use for face and for body because it is made up of all natural ingredients which has no side effects and will not irritate your skin at all. So let's begin. In a bowl, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, which is gentle exfoliator. It will even skin tone. It has anti-aging properties. And then we are going to add 1.5 tablespoon of besan, that is gram flour, which reduces oiliness, suntan, and fights acne. And then we are going to add a fuller's earth, that is multani mitti, which is improves blood circulation. It fights acne. It reduces inflammation. And then we are going to add half a teaspoon of rose petal powder. This will make your skin glowy, soft and smooth, and it absorbs excess sebum, so it reduces inflammation. It is very beneficial. I have made this powder at home by grinding the dried rose petals. So I'm adding that, and then we are going to add orange peel powder, about 1/4 teaspoon, and this will exfoliate and fades the dark spot and gives you a glowy and radiant skin. Now one more ingredient, and it is completely optional, is the licorice root powder, and this I add because it's antimicrobial, is anti-inflammatory, it protects from UV rays naturally, so I like to add this. So here our concoction for the face mask is ready. You can store this into a airtight container, and then now let's see the applications. There are two ways to apply this. Now for the oily skin, I would recommend mixing this with rose water because it absorbs excess oil from your skin. It will soothe the irritated skin. If you have acne, it will definitely help you a lot. So make a paste and apply a very thin layer, and it will dry very fast, like in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you can prepare your coffee, get ready for work or whatever, and then wash it off with cool water. And it's natural and gentle for daily use. And it will leave your skin smooth, soft, and helps reduces the acne day by day. And for hands, I use a homemade moisturizer, which I'm going to share the recipe with you soon. And I have cured my acne, stubborn acne, with this powder. Now let's check the application for the dry and acne prone skin. So I like to mix this with a plain yogurt, which treats acne. It's loaded with calcium and vitamin B, which acts as a natural lotion. So again, apply a very thin layer and let it dry. This will take maybe a minute or two more to dry, but it dries really fast. And then wash it off with normal water, and then daily use of this will help you reduce your acne. It will make your skin tighter, brighter and glowing, and you will looking younger and younger every day. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please write me in the comment box. And I have cured my acne with this powder, so I can confidently share this recipe with you all, and I hope you benefit too. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.